Here I have SONY Xperia XZ1 and let me show you how to activate this device. So basically let me show you how to go through the initializing setup process on the following phone. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the welcome panel. Here you can choose your desired language. This is the full list of available languages that you can use. In my case, let me choose English, for example from United States. You may also choose some visual aids and change some visual settings. You may also tap emergency and make some emergency calls if you need something. If not, let's choose get started right here. So here you have to accept some important information. So let me tap accept right here. And as you can see here, you've got the internet connection options, so you can use both mobile and Wi-Fi network, or you may simply choose only the Wi-Fi. You can insert SIM card, but you can also activate your device without inserting SIM card. So let me do it that way. Tap skip. Let me tap setup as a new. So I would like to have a fresh start. Now you can connect your device to a Wi-Fi. It's not necessary, but I usually recommend this. So if you have the internet access, you can enable some interesting features. So let me do it. Let me connect my device to a Wi-Fi. Let's just wait a couple of seconds. The device is checking the updates. The phone is checking info. Now we have the internet access. And right now you can sign in into the Google account. All you have to do is enter the email, or you can create a new account. But in my case, let me use the existing Google account. So let's enter the email. Let's tap next. Now it's time to enter the password. That's it. Let's choose next one more time. Tap agree to the terms and conditions. The phone is checking info one more time. The device is getting the account information. Now you can add the fingerprint if you would like to use the fingerprint unlocking, or you can tap skip, and you may also do it later in settings. So here you have some Google services. For example, you can back up to Google Drive, you can help apps find your location, you can improve location accuracy and send system data. In my case, let me leave all of these features enabled and tap agree. So here you can read about the Google Assistant, you can go through the tutorial, or you can choose no thanks. You can use the Xperia services. Let me choose not now. Tap skip. Tap next to the following information. Let me allow the Xperia intelligence. The device is checking the configurations update. So here let me choose the Wi-Fi only for the software updates. Tap all set. The device adding the finishing touches. And you are ready to go. Let's just tap finish, and that's it. Now you have access to your device. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.